The Internal Revenue Service announced standard mileage rates for 2022 today for taxpayers to use in calculating the deductible costs of using a car for business, charitable, medical or moving purposes. That means tax savings if you're self-employed and drive your own car for business, and likely more money in your pocket if your employer reimburses you for miles driven. In Notice 22-03, the IRS lists the standard mileage rates, effective January 1, 2022: business use, 58.5 cents a mile in 2022, up to 5 cents from 56 cents a mile in 2021. Medical use, 18 cents a mile in 2022, up from 16 cents a mile in 2021. Moving use, 18 cents a mile in 2022, up from 16 cents a mile. And the 2021 rates on your 2021 tax return due April 15, 2022. If you're curious, the IRS keeps track of historical mileage rates over the last decade. The standard rates for business purposes reach a new high. The standard rates for medical and moving purposes were 20 cents a mile back in 2019. Rates jumped this year because of higher fuel prices and higher car costs. The rate for charitable miles driven has been fixed by Congress at 14 cents a mile since 1997, but the other rates are adjusted each year. The business rate adjustment takes into account all the costs associated with owning a car, including insurance and repairs, while the other adjustment primarily takes into effect oil and gas costs. The standard rates are the simplest option for taxpayers to use. You multiply the miles driven by the rate. Another option is to claim deductions based on the actual costs of using a vehicle. In either case, you need to keep records to prove how far you drove and when and for what purpose.